Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the bead stitch. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, click on the gear icon below the video to slow it down. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive an email when I post a new video. To work the bead stitch, start with any number foundation chain in an even number. So multiples of 2. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in each stitch all the way across the chain. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. So I'm going to go ahead and single crochet in each stitch across the row. Okay, I worked across the row. At the end of the row, chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Double crochet in the next stitch. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And now I'm going to make my first bead stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert the hook around the post of that double crochet that was just worked, pick up the yarn, pull it through, and stretch it up. Now do that 2 more times, so it's a total of 3. Now you're going to have 7 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through 6 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through both of those loops. Now you're going to skip the next stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to make a bead stitch around this double crochet. Yarn around the hook, yarn around the double crochet, pick up the yarn, stretch it up. Pick up the yarn, stretch it up. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 6 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. I'm going to make another bead stitch here in this stitch. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 6, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Skip, double crochet, make a bead stitch, 1, 2, 3. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 6, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And the last stitch will be in that turning chain. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Double crochet in the next stitch. Make a bead stitch in that stitch. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 6, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Complete a bead stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 6, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Skip, double crochet, make a bead stitch, 1, 2, 3. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 6, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Okay, so you just continue to work across the row, skip, double crochet in a bead stitch, skip, double crochet in a bead stitch, double crochet in the last stitch, and you'll continue to repeat those rows of a single crochet and a bead stitch. And there you can see how I've done exactly the same here in a larger piece. So you could use this to make a hat or a scarf. You could make a cell phone cover, a mobile phone cover, by making it large enough, folding it in half, and then you can slide your phone inside. Or you could make some hand warmers or texting gloves. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.